Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're signed in with an administrator account so changes stick. Once done, save any open files and close intensive apps to avoid interruptions. Next, open Settings, choose System, and tap Power and Battery. This puts you directly at the controls. I say go there now. It's faster than digging through Control Panel. You're establishing the correct context. Admin rights plus the Power and Battery page ready to change power-saving behavior. Once on the Power and Battery page, locate the Power section and toggle off power saving for the relevant states, battery and plugged in, so Windows stops enforcing aggressive limits. Make sure to expand Battery Saver to set the threshold higher or turn it off entirely. This prevents automatic activation at low percentages. Then review related settings for screen and sleep timeouts, and extend or disable them so the system doesn't constantly finish by saving changes and restarting Windows if it prompts you. That ensures policies apply. If the power saving mode returns, run the Power Troubleshooter from Settings to detect conflicts and verify that group policy or mobile device management isn't forcing settings. Also check for outdated chipset or display drivers and BIOS power options because firmware or drivers can reassert power limits. If none of that fixes it, roll back recent updates or consult IT. Those steps cover most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.